Pane vanhu vari kuti vakabirwa mari naValentine kuzondishaya uyo anozikamwa nekunzi VK Lionheart pamwe chete nemudzimai wake vachiti ivo vachadzidzisa vanhu forex uye vachashare maprofits, but this never came to fruition. Saka tsamba yanyorerwa vamunetsi yazobuda yakubva nekuna Sismeli. Welcome back to your channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Musakanganwa zvakare the novel narrative handi tinonzwa manovel edu. So tsamba yanyorerwa vamunetsi yakanzi attention Mr. Munetsi DSA. We trust this letter finds you well. We are reaching out to you from a point of desperation and you are our last hope. Earlier this year, February 2025, there was an investment opportunity presented to us by Mr. Valentine Kuzondishaya, an SA-based public figure of Zimbabwean origins, popularly known as VK Lionheart. Prior to this, he had introduced us to forex trading and he had gained trust from the whole group. Lionheart Traders, he is the founder of Lionheart Forex Academy, which initially posed like a charity organization as it was meant for the less privileged, struggling brothers and sisters whom he wanted to equip with a tool to financial freedom. Surprisingly, followed by this noble cause was the introduction of learning fee and signal subscription fee, which was seemingly going against the notion of helping the poor. But as someone who had already gained our trust and confidence, we just thought maybe he wanted to cover a few costs that this academy was bearing. As if to clear our doubts, he then mentioned that he wasn't charging us to make ends meet, but rather to make us value the knowledge he was imparting in us in order to avoid easy come, easy go. The academy started flourishing and live trades were done, and so we thought where he would show us the daily profits that him and his now ex-wife would make. This would average around $4,000 per day, and before we knew it, we had believed in the viability of the business, forex trading. It is upon the basis of the issues discussed above that an investment scheme was announced and had lucrative interest rates which were so appealing considering the daily profits that he would make. The investment was supposed to bring profits after a maximum of 1 month from the initial date of deposit. For instance, 2,500 was going to give you 4,000 more, and on the withdrawal day it will be 6,500 or so he promised. Following the adverts of this investment scheme, where Mr. Valentine Kuzondishaya, the king of currencies, would trade for the investor and share profits at the rate of 60-40, the 60% was for him and 40% for the investor. In addition, we were assured that our investments were insured, meaning that in case it blows, he would fund the trading account and trade again until profits are realized. After being lured into investing, we made our deposits into the VK Capital Solutions, an SA account, and waited for the profit sharing, only to be told one story after the other. At first, he assured us of sharing the profits and was about to send it to our different accounts, only for it to be locked up in his Binance account. Stories and empty promises succeeded each other while he was buying time from us, not for him to be able to make things right, but for us to find other ways of survival without the bare minimum that we had invested, hoping for better returns. It's so unfortunate to say that part of the investment deposits that were made by some of the investors were meant for sick relatives, who eventually died after funds failed to meet their medical demands, all of which came to VK attention but never bothered him. During the course of the year, you would give us empty promises and buy time till date. For the past 2 months, he is no longer responding to messages or calls, or almost half of the group was already blocked from all social media handles, which at first offered access to him. At the moment, any attempt to probe an answer regarding the refund of the initial deposit only, without any accumulated profit, is leading to being blocked and blacklisted. In a nutshell, as a group, we have lost a total of 11,920, and we are kindly asking you to assist us in talking to Mr. Valentine Kuzondishaya, VK Lionheart, to give us back our initial deposits, as we are no longer worried about the profits anymore. Your assistance is greatly appreciated, and we know you can help us As we have seen we help others in similar situation, we have our evidence of all the deposits that we made, and we are more than ready to prove our case. So sisimeli vari kuti ivo vedway batsirai hama dzedu. Pane vamwe vaendawo nekuseri zvakare vakanoedhawo more information ekuratidza kuti VK owes them another 9,000 zvakare nechekuside, making it a whooping $20,000 US. Mukomana aitonyadzogara ziko lifestyle rine nharo naika vachitogara mumadouble story Cape Town nekudhura kunoita rent. Vanhu vaisha kuti kumukomana uyu nekungova motivational speaker chete here nekuenda nemakapuzi achiti tinowina kumusoro kwegomo Table Mountain nekudzika navo ndo kwaibva mafanzesaya yezvino zviri pachena kuti mukomana anga achitora zvakare mari yevanhu. Yes, anogona kuva achita trading hatizvirambi, asika kana iri trading ngaaburitse ape vanhu maprofits avo instead yekuti avadyire mari dzavo, kuswera kupawo muvarume pressure pano paFacebook nelifestyle nemari dzevanhu shuwa zvakaoma, kuchinja vakadzi nemari yekuba. Hei, zvakaoma. Ndo zviri kubva mune mamanetizens vedu. Ngatidzidzei chinhu ichi, kushanda mari yako usina kupinda muzvimapyramid scheme nezvimwe zvakadaro kunogona kubatsira. Zimbabweans are the most easiest people to scam. A lot of people are fake, but people don't want to agree. Pane musikana ari kuchemera mari kwavheko uko, but surprisingly people vari kuramba vachingo enda zvakare kuna vheko kuti totodawo mavisa ekuenda kumhiri, totodawo mutigadzirira mapemiti nezvimwe zvakadaro, asi muchinzwa vamwe vachichema wopedzisira woshaya kuti kochiko zvatakanokorwa tsoka senyika. Moboys ari kuti ye inbox yake yazara of many complaints from different people. It's difficult to assist nekuti vanhu vanopedzisira voti ane jealousy, asi tese tinongozvionerawo guys mufesi wekuti towina. My guy uyaitsotse. From his expression of speaking you can see that he mastered the game of making people believe him. Hamene kuti vanhu havazvioni here. Zvakaomazvo. Sisimeli vakambozvitaura vakatukwa zvisingaiti, saka tadzoka zvakare pavanhu vaya some people vaituka zvesisimeli vakunida help. I saw the adverts. Paiva nefee yaitodiwa. People should stop tarnishing VK's name. Trading haina kusiyana nebetting. Munhu you join uchiziva kuti dzitori njuga. So ndevamwewo vari kusupporta VK vakati mukomana maybe akatodyiwawo dziri njuga dzakarema. But guys, kana watoudza vanhu kuti wewe wakachimaster chigame uye uchavapa maprofits, unenge wakwidza hope yavo. Unofanira kuti guys ngatiedzei, it's either a win or a lose. But ukaburitsa maprofits ekuti isusu every month this is how much we make, every day we make more than $4,000, handiunoona kuti unenge wakwidza mahopes evanhu. Kunozotanga kudyiwa yangu sei nekuti ndatrader iwe yako uchimbowana ma4,000 usina kunyora. Nyaya yacho inobva yashaya kumeka sense zvachose. So vanogonawo kubatsira ameno kuti vanoziva nezvomutemo here vanogonawo kubatsirawo panyaya iyi. Pachinonetsa ndechekuti these people vakainvesta willingly vakabva vadyiwa. Saka chero kukota handizi kuti inonomiriswa nyaya iyi chinzi chii, what is the charge kuskema. Zvakaoma. Ngatingodzidzai guys kusiyana nekuda kuinvesta mutunhu turi too good to be true. Kana zvarambisisa tengai mashares kuShoprite. Motenga mashares chero kuPNA uko izvezvi December ari kusvika vanhu vakuita back to school, mashares aya anobva yakwirawo madividends otiwo. Vanhu ngavagoogle zvinhu zviri lucrative zvekuita mari instead yekuinvesta muvanhu ava. Makoronyera timu iri. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment and share.